Hey, this is Andrew Brown from Exam Pro, and we're taking a look here at Azure Bastion, which is an intermediate hardened instance you can use to connect to your target server via SSH or RDP. An easier way to think of it is just a machine that sits between you and your server to give you an additional layer of security. So it will provision a web-based RDP client or SSH terminal, and some devices just cannot run the RDP client. So this is where a Google Chromebook is really great fit for Azure Bastion, because this would be the only way you'd be able to do it is through Azure Bastion. So when you want to make a Bastion, you'll have to create its own subnet with a very particular name. But some of the key features here of Bastion is RDP and SSH directly into Azure Portal, remote session over TLS and firewall transversal, no public IP required on the Azure VM, no hassle managing NSGs, protection against port scanning, protection against zero-day exploits hardening in one place only. So yeah. Now, if you want to connect to a Windows server, you would have to use RDP, and you'd have to have the Bastion in the same VNet. You just enter in your username and password as you normally would if you did RDP. So RDP is remote desktop protocol, and the idea is that you just log in, and now it's like you're using a Windows machine. Then you have SSH, which is for Linux. And so the idea here is you'd have your SSH private key and password that you'd set when you create your VM. And when you want to hit connect, you just provide either your password or the private key, and now you're in your server. So that's as simple as Azure Bastion is.